Japanese tuning studio Wild International has presented an exclusive package of modifications for Toyota Land Cruiser Prada called Desert Series Black Bison Edition. This aggressive off-road body kit was clearly created as a response to brutal versions of Mercedes GCL from Brabus, but in a more accessible and practical format suitable for modern times. Off-road. After a long wait associated with the publication of the first renderings at the Osaka Autumn Exhibition, the final version was presented, which certainly lived up to expectations. During the development process, the company planned to release two versions, one with increased ground clearance and the other with a lowered suspension. At the moment, a raised version has been launched into production, which maximally emphasizes the off-road qualities of the Prada, as in most. The work of the Black Bison Edition tuner focuses on the most expressive appearance. The front of the car has undergone significant changes. A new massive bumper with complex geometry of air intakes and additional LED daytime running lights give the car an impressive look. Protective aluminum trim at the bottom not only improves the appearance, but also increases functionality when overcoming difficult sections. One of the key elements was the huge air intake on the hood emphasizes, and the visor on the roof with built-in ribs and LED lighting adds futurism to the appearance. In profile, Black Bison Edition looks even more impressive thanks to massive wheel arch extensions that create a sense of strength. They emphasize the increased track behind the arches are new large wheels with mud tires, ready to cope with any road and off-road challenges. The suspension has been raised, which not only increases ground clearance, but also makes the overall proportions of the car even more impressive. A number of changes have also been made at the rear, including a sports diffuser on the rear bumper and decorative ventilation elements, giving the SUV even more racing style. To top it all off, the company installed an additional wing on the rear spoiler. Although its feasibility raises questions for an SUV, it does not bring practical benefits, but it definitely adds charisma to the car. In the presented renderings, you can also appreciate the lowered version of the Prada. Designed for asphalt pavement, this modification received a sports suspension, huge wheels, low-profile tires, and an aggressive body kit. And what's hidden under the hood? Tuners have not yet disclosed information about possible engine modifications. However, owners can independently increase the power of the hybrid gasoline or diesel version. It is not yet known whether this kit will appear outside of Japan, and the price remains a mystery for now, but for those looking for something similar, the company already offers a similar tuning package for the Toyota Land Cruiser 300.